Some knowledge. All right. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So if you own a detail shop. Welcome back to another episode of Epic Auto Detailing Vlogs. My name is Johnny. I am the co-owner here, and today we have a pretty busy day. Today we have in Dodge truck in for Lander Motors that we already started on it. It's gonna get done today. Then we have a Subaru in there right now that's gonna get worked on for Cascade Motors. And then we have a brand new Tesla Y in for a full complete frontal PPF install. And then we have a Lamborghini Huracan coming in for our express detail. It's just a basic in and out detail, and that's only $150 per car. Doesn't matter what kind of car it is, truck, car, exotic car. It's $150 flat rate for everything. And then we have a Dodge Ram, it's a blue one that's got here this morning. The customer just dropped it off, and we're gonna do a full express as well on that, and that's also $150. Once we get done with Lander Motors' truck, which is about to get done, we're about to go pick up 2 more lifted trucks from him that he has for us. So yeah, let's get this day going. We have this brand new Tesla in, and we have a full frontal PPF going on it as well. Right now, Jamie's not printing out, she's cutting out all the patterns for the fender's hood bumper.
What's up, guys? I'm Jamie Lynn. I'm the office manager and PPF installer here over at Epic Auto Detailing. So how we install and prep the film for PPF is we download all of our info off of our software back here and send it off to the plotter over here. This prints out our film precisely to the cut on each vehicle, and then we weave out the pattern, prep the vehicle vigorously, wipe down all the edges over and over, prep the paint, and then we apply the film and usually look for our tacking points like certain edges or emblems that'll help guide us to lay down the film precisely.
Alright, we got this Dodge coming in for express full detail. We're gonna do in and out detail on it. Right now, Garrick's started on the inside of it. Oh man. When it comes to these baby seats, we take them out, but we don't put them back in. So we're not liable if anything happens during a car accident. If they're not strapped in properly, we get sued. Oh, we will take them out.
Oh my god.
I got some empty gum. If you like gum, pulse, coffee leaf, sunflower seeds. If you're religious.
Ah, you motherfucker!
So proud of you, Johnny.
I'm applying red hot right now to all the mats. It's a degreaser pretty much. It breaks down all the dirt and stuff like that on here, and then I drill them and then I rinse them off, dry them off, and then they look like new again.
Today we have this Ram here. What we're doing on it is an express full detail. We already got the interior done, so now we're in the process of spraying the wheels, wheel wells, and door jambs. And after we do that, we'll rinse it off and get started with the wash.
Alright guys, so we got done with this truck for Lender Motors. We're gonna go ahead and switch it out for 2 more trucks and then give one of the guys a ride down the street to another shop to pick up another truck that they need detailed as well. Alright, so we got this Lamborghini Huracan in for a full express detail. What that includes is a full wash, clean the wheels, wheel wells, door jams, and we spray a protectant on it, and then the interior gets vacuumed, wiped down, and the windows get cleaned. Alright guys, so if you're a detail shop owner and you guys have like a social media, like a shop front, it's always best to take pictures outside your shop so people know how it looks like. Like for example, that's how we took a picture of the Lambo we just had in. And then from there I'm going to post it on social media, which is Instagram, Facebook. If you have a Facebook and Instagram, you can connect them at the same time. So that way every time you post on Facebook, it goes to Instagram. And then from there, post to your Google listing. Same exact thing you post on your Facebook and Instagram, copy and paste it, post it on your Google listing as an update. So on your Google listing, you can either update the status, like the status, or update pictures, do both. And then also what I do every month, we do a monthly giveaway, and then a special, like this month we're doing 10% off any interior detail, and then we're giving away an interior detail as well. So people have to like our page, post a comment, and then also share the status so we can target their effect as well. That way we get a lot of audience to your page, and it's free. Alright guys, that's it for our episode. Thank you guys for tuning in, and appreciate everybody's support, watching, sharing, and comment. Even if you're new, please comment, share, and subscribe to our page, and we'll see you guys in the next one.